fire rips through this condo complex in Cudahy Sunday, destroying several families' homes. In Milwaukee last Tuesday, another fire kills a 2-year-old little girl. But a few beeps may have saved her grandmother and her cousin's lives.
You don't want your smoke detector to fail. It's the one device in your house that you need to always be working.
Which is why retired North Shore Fire Department EMS Lieutenant Tom Seberg's making it his mission, even off duty now, to protect families when they're most vulnerable.
Your sense of smell falls asleep, and so you need your smoke detector to basically be your 24-hour nose.
His brand new online company, Batteries for Life, ships smoke detector batteries to you every 6 months or when you change the clocks.
We want to change that passive behavior and make people safe. That's our true goal. We really want to save lives.
We can preach a message all the time about changing your clock and changing your battery, but at the same time, if people aren't going to the store to buy the battery, it's kind of falling on deaf ears.
And with 7 deadly fires in Milwaukee this year, including 3 kids, firefighters say families need to make smoke detector maintenance a priority. Right alongside the emergency responders at these fires are Red Cross volunteers. Lately, they've been overwhelmed with the amount of fires in the Milwaukee area, which is why Batteries for Life will be donating some of their profits to help them out. In Milwaukee, Hillary Mintz, WISN 12 News.